Hello, let's talk about using headers in Canvas correctly. So first, let's look at what headers are and how they're used. So this is Microsoft Word, and you can see that we have 4 levels of headers here. So you would have what's called heading 1, and it's going to be bigger and bolded there, and then heading 2, and then 3, followed by 4. And so you can think about this as a hierarchy. So header 2 would fit under header 1, and then header 3 would be a subtopic of this one, and header 4 would be a subtopic of this one. So it's when you're organizing your content, when you go down a level, then you increase the number of your header from 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is the top level, and then 4 in this case is the lowest level. Well, Canvas has the same thing. So if we come over here, we're going to see different size fonts that you can see here. We'll talk about that in a second. They're not as big of a difference as you want them to be, but they are tagged correctly here. So if I edit this, and this can be on any page or a discussion, this happens to be in an assignment, so this exercise 1 that I have here. And what Canvas does is heading 1 is always going to be the title of the page or the discussion or whatever it might be. So when you come down to your other content here, you're going to have your heading 2, or flag this with heading 2. And then when you come down to the next one, this also I have as a heading 2, and then this one also as a heading 2. And then under here, I drop down to a heading 3. And then you could drop down further to heading 4. And you see that you highlight the content that you want to tag, and then go ahead and pick the appropriate heading level. You'll notice that the basic text is always going to be flagged as paragraph. So these are all flagged correctly, and they're also using the default Canvas sizes. And so if I cancel out of here, you'll see that sometimes those size differences aren't great. So the titling here, which is header 1, is really not that different from header 2, but that's just the way that things are set at Cal State Fullerton. So I leave it that way. This is important for people that use screen readers, that they have the headings set correctly. So you really want to make sure they're nested that way from a heading 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. If you really hate the size differences, like really there's not a huge difference between our header 2 and 3, and then between 1 and 2 there isn't a difference at all, what you can do is you can go into that edited page and you can change it. So you can come here and you can actually make that change to whatever you want it to be. The reason why I don't like doing that is because then I have to remember to change it everywhere. So my personal choice is just to leave it as Canvas does it. And while aesthetically it's not maybe exactly what I want, it is accessible and is meeting the needs of those students. Thank you. For more tutorials, check out our YouTube channel, Faculty Development Center, CSUF. For upcoming workshops, check out our website at fdc.fullerton.edu.